Let's review how to use the Travel Accordion on our member page. Select the Self section, then the Member page. Click on the Travel Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can enter key details such as the membership name, term period, expiration date, and cost into the clearly listed input fields. You can also add direct contact information including phone numbers, email addresses, and web links, plus any additional notes in the comments section. Once you've verified that all information is complete, click the Save Disk icon in the bottom left corner. Your travel membership details appear instantly in a structured data box within the interface. From there, you can edit, download, delete, or share the record as a secure link via email. This clean layout prevents data clutter and ensures that important travel affiliations are firmly embedded in your procedural record from the start. And that's how you use the LawWiz Travel Accordion.